Hi and welcome, Kat from Sacred Soul Rising. So I want to make this video very direct. I want it to be straight to the point. I want it to give you information that is going to help settle the mind, but also stop you from searching and searching. On this journey, there is now a wealth of information out there. Some of it is pink and fluffy. Some of it is misleading. Some of it is highly toxic. And let's face it, within the spiritual community, I think probably twin flames is one of the most controversial subjects out there. The thing is, a lot of the time on the twin flame journey, it is only ever portrayed as love and romance. This journey is an awakening of divine feminine. If you are only focused on getting your divine masculine back, you are sitting in the toxic energy of the journey. Now, some people that believe that they're on the twin flame journey are not on it at all. They've been maybe told by a psychic or a medium, or a friend has given them a post, and they think that now that toxic relationship is actually a twin flame. I want today to give you information that gives you real clear clarity, because let's face it, you don't want to be on this journey if you're not truly on it. First and foremost, your divine masculine comes in to awaken you. You are one energetic system. You are one soul. You are the same soul frequency, the same soul essence. That's why this connection feels not of this world, because it is not of the physical plane. Yes, you may have two bodies, but it is the dance of one soul here in the 3D. Every single twin flame couple will go into separation. Now, there's different degrees of separation. Some go into a full-blown long-term separation, and then others come in on this in and out energy. Which one is best? Neither. The journey always starts with divine feminine. Once soul recognition has happened, and soul recognition is when you recognize, or should I say, the soul recognizes itself in the divine counterparts. At this point, the energy will have built to a point, and that is the fear-based energy, that it will cause the separation. At this point, you cannot hold the energy together. Why? Because it contains fear energy and lower frequencies. While ever there is fear-based energy and low frequency in a twin flame connection, it cannot come into union frequency. Twins can only hold a Satori Zen frequency. And so it is up to you, divine feminine, to do the inner work. You see, one of the keys to this journey is divine masculine will always reflect back to you. And what they reflect back to you is there for you to heal and to move through that lower dense frequency. On this journey, your core wounds will be activated. Core wounds are fear, lack, the need for validation, not feeling enough, betrayal and abandonment. Only when you heal those core wounds do you shift into a higher state of consciousness. You see, on this journey, that Kundalini is activated. And Kundalini, i.e. Shakti energy, Shakti is working through your chakra system. Your chakra system, a lot of the time we think, it's yoga, or it's pretty crystals, or, pretty colors. But really, your chakra system is your life force energy. Your life force energy, which aligns you with your true divine source frequency. I.e., when Shakti is working in the base and root chakra, that is your safety and security. And let's face it, on this journey, the first thing that is activated within the feminine is feeling unsafe. Divine feminine must feel safety on this journey. And when she does, that reflects back to divine masculine. Wherever divine feminine is feeling unsafe on this journey, you cannot come into your sovereignty frequency. So the first and foremost energy and to where you need to heal and where you need to observe is how safe and secure do you feel within yourself. Only when you heal this can it allow divine masculine to heal on a reflective energy. You see, most people think that it is about two physical beings on a twin flame journey. But the journey is all about energy and frequency. People often talk about, can you tell me about the third energetic field? The third energetic field is also created at soul recognition or around that time. The third energetic field is where both twins go into. This is a soul vibration. When twins make love, they make love in the energetic field. The bodies are actually, a lot of the time, getting in the way. You see, the third energetic field is where you will feel them at a soul level, where you feel that brush on your cheek, or where you feel that telepathy early on in the morning. This is where your twin is communicating with you and dancing in frequency. But while ever you are focused on them and believing that they need to do the work, you will keep yourself stuck, you will keep yourself in pain, and you will keep yourself looping. Divine feminine, this journey is about you reclaiming your power, you reclaiming your light, and you coming into full sovereign energy. Only when you shift into this frequency and come into that beautiful divine energy of the higher self does it allow divine masculine to do the true work and see where they have been running from themselves. You see, divine feminine, a lot of the time, you are chasing, and it might not be in the physical, it might be only energetically. If you are searching out information, you are actually energetically chasing divine masculine. Energetically chasing is actually sometimes worse than physically chasing. You have to learn how to bring that energy back into self, to create your own safety, to align with your purpose, to align with your own unconditional love, to self-master those emotions of the should've, could've, would've, to speak your truth, to move into soul frequency. And only at that point does your own inner masculine and feminine balance. Where does Shakti dance to? You know, we often hear Shakti energy and the Kundalini on this journey. But the Kundalini moves up, the Ida and the Pingala, it weaves up. Where is it weaving up to? Where is she dancing? She is dancing up your chakra system to clear out, to dissipate out all the lower frequencies. And she moves into the third eye. In the third eye is where she meets Shiva, her divine counterpart, and only then is where the balance can begin in order to move to divine crown chakra. For anybody that is struggling on this journey, my Twin Flame course is there. There's over 25% off at the moment. You also get access into Awaken to Consciousness, which is my weekly Twin Flame support calls. This journey is a deeply magical spiritual journey. But while ever you keep yourself looping, while ever you keep yourself in the lower vibrations, you will stay stuck. This journey, Divine Feminine, is about you feeling whole, complete, trusting in the journey, and making all that love that you're projecting out to Divine Masculine, bringing it back into self, into your own sovereignty. I send you so much love. Many blessings.